Alright, I mounted my little puck for my trolling motor. There's a trolling motor off my Carolina skiff. And I ordered an extra, one of these extra mounts here. Trolling motor goes to that. That goes like that. And then this quick release goes in like that. And then it all locks up nice. So, just mounted that. Let's see how it does. Hold on 1 second. Beautiful. My pin's in. Now I can put a lock here to lock the trolling motor. The pins are through. And that's it. Got a backup trolling motor. And also a fishing trolling motor. And that's it. Beautiful. So whenever I take this boat out, grab the trolling motor, throw it on it. Whenever I go out on the Carolina skiff, grab that, throw it on it. And then I got to order one more of these bad boys for the new the Edge 553. And then that's it. I'm not going to buy a whole bunch of trolling motors. So that's it.